The Toyota Highlander is a midsize SUV that has earned a reputation for reliability, comfort, and versatility. Blending bold design with advanced technology, the Highlander offers a spacious and well-appointed interior, making it ideal for families and adventurers alike. Known for its smooth performance and available hybrid options, it provides a balance of power and fuel efficiency. Past Toyota Highlanders have taken the shotgun approach to the midsize SUV segment, offering myriad trim standard and hybrid powertrains and front or all-wheel drive variants in order to cover the widest possible swath of buyers. The Highlander gets some relief for 2024 with the arrival of the larger 2024 Grand Highlander, which offers more third row and cargo room. This leaves the Highlander free to focus on its core midsize mission. The Mazda CX-90 offers a far more stylized interior and better driving dynamics, while the Kia Telluride and the Hyundai Palisade deliver more luxury and third-row room. The Highlander, while thoroughly competent, is a less compelling alternative in comparison. However, this may no longer be the case for its newest iteration. Introducing the all-new 2025 Toyota Highlander, a perfect blend of sophistication, performance, and practicality for the modern family. The 2025 Highlander features a striking new design that's both bold and elegant. The reimagined front grille is wider and more pronounced, giving the Highlander a commanding presence on the road, while the sleek LED headlights enhance its modern look. With its streamlined body and aerodynamic shape, the Highlander is designed for both style and efficiency. The sharp body lines, sculpted fenders, and available 20-inch alloy wheels add to its dynamic athletic stance. At the rear, the Highlander continues to impress with sleek LED taillights and a hands-free power liftgate, providing easy access to the spacious cargo area, perfect for your family's next adventure. Step inside the 2025 Toyota Highlander, and you'll find a refined, spacious interior that's designed with both comfort and convenience in mind. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and available leather-trimmed seats create a luxurious experience for every passenger. The driver's cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster, along with a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's latest connected services. Whether you're seating 7 or 8 passengers, the Highlander provides ample legroom and versatile seating arrangements. The second-row captain's chairs and fold-flat third row offer flexibility for both passengers and cargo. Under the hood, the 2025 Highlander offers 2 powertrain options. Choose between the 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 265 horsepower, or the fuel-efficient hybrid option, which offers up to 243 horsepower and impressive fuel economy, perfect for long journeys or everyday driving. With available all-wheel drive and multiple drive modes, the Highlander is ready to tackle any terrain, from city streets to off-the-beaten path. The smooth suspension and responsive handling make every drive feel effortless. The 2025 Toyota Highlander, a perfect balance of style, space, and performance, ready to elevate your family's journey.